Today on SETC we have a Shimmer and Shine show, and in today's video we're going to take a look at the brand new Shimmer and Shine dolls, and we also have a Shimmer and Shine surprise cube. So let's start by taking a look at our Shimmer doll. So here is our Shimmer doll, and just look how pretty she is. So she's made of plastic, but she does have this real hair ponytail. And just look at the colour of it. That is so cool. And she does come with some articulation. So you can move her head, her arms, and her legs. Now her outfit to the top is made of plastic. So you can't remove the top, but you can remove the trousers. They are fabric. And you can also remove her shoes. She also comes with 2 bracelets, which again you can remove. And she just looks so cool. So Shimmer comes with this sticker sheet and also a comb. And here we have Shine. And just like Shimmer, she's made of plastic, but she has this real hair ponytail. And I just love the colouring of these. They are so pretty. So she's also wearing her 2 bracelets. Again, the top is moulded, so you can't remove the top. The trousers you can remove. And again, the shoes can come off. So she does come with the same articulation as Shimmer. And she is really cool. And Shine comes with her own sticker sheet and comb. So let's see what's inside our Shimmer and Shine surprise cube. Awesome! We have a Shopkins Season 6 Chef Club pack. So our first Shopkin, we have the rare blocky ice cube. And our second is the common runny honey. Let's see what else we have in our surprise cube. Awesome! We have a Minecraft Series 3 hanger. And just look at those awesome characters we can find. Let's see which one we have. Oh, that is so cool! We found the villager. Let's see what else we have. We also find a Crystal Surprise Babies pack. Oh, these are cool. Look how awesome they are. Let's see which one we have. And we found Beams. Oh, that is so cute. Let's see if there's anything else inside. Awesome! We have a Pokemon Evolutions booster pack. And on here we have Blastoise. Cool! Let's see which cards we have. So we have Drowsy, Electabuzz, Vulpix, Sandshrew, Onyx. Awesome! we have a Machamp break card. That is so cool. Our rare card is Dugong. We have a maintenance trainer card. Oh cool, we have the secret rare Executor. That is cool. Look at all the Japanese writing on it. And our final card is a Misty's Determination trainer card. Let's see if there's anything else. Ooh! We also have a pack of twosies. Let's see what's inside. Okay, shall we start with the baby or the pet? Let's check the baby first. So we have Dale. And Dale is from the Too Cheeky category. Oh, that is so adorable. And our pet is... Oh! So this is Mittens, the pussycat. Oh, how cute is Mittens? Oh. Let's see what else we have. We also find a Marvel Ooshies blind bag. Do you guys think we'll find the limited edition Red Hulk today? Let's have a look. Oh, so we don't have the Red Hulk, but we do have Daredevil. Oh, that is such a cool Ooshie. Let's see if there's anything else in our surprise cube. Oh, super cool. We have a Tokidoki Myrmicano blind box. These are so awesome. Let's see which one we have. Now we're so close to a full collection of these. Fingers crossed it's a new one. Oh, and we don't have a new one, but we do have Cora. Oh, that is so cute. Look at all the coral. Do you guys like Myrmicanos? Give us a big thumbs up if you do. I wonder if there's anything else in our surprise cube. We have a Sofia the First mystery surprise egg. Oh, cool. There's 3 items inside. Let's have a look. So we have a Sofia the First sticker sheet, an adorable Sofia tattoo, and we have a super cute keychain with Whatnot on. Oh my goodness, look how adorable it is. Do you guys know what sort of animal Whatnot is? If you do, let us know in the comments box below. Okay, I think we have one final surprise left in our Shimmer and Shine surprise cube. So our final surprise today is a Disney Villains Funko Mystery Mini. Whoa, just look at all those characters. Fingers crossed we find Maleficent. Let's have a look. Okay, let's take a look. Whoa! So we found Prince John from Robin Hood. Oh, that is a really cool figure. Look at his crown. And this one is a 1 in 24. Oh my goodness, that is awesome. And there we have our awesome Shimmer and Shine dolls, and also all of our surprises out of our Shimmer and Shine surprise cube. Give us a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and pop a comment below letting us know which of these surprises was your favourite today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.